We gotta do something about that. Let's hit the road. Well guys, here it is. Look out the door, everything looks so good. We are gonna head down to my buddy's shop, Wax Shack, and it's my buddy Bryson from a long time ago actually, and he's really good at paint correcting and everything like that. I'm really excited to see what he can do with the rest of the car. I want it all to match for Gatlinburg. And yeah, let's get this thing started. Nice. Sounds good. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Nice. Window works. Everything's good to go. Let's head down there, see what Bryson's up to, see if he can fit me in today. Well, we have made it to the Wax Shack. Dude, this place looks sick, man. Bryson, you're killing it. Look at the little Wax Shack truck. Oh, 2 Wax Shack. He's got the Mercedes. Dang, son. Let me give him a call and see if we can't squeeze this little baby in here tonight. Dude, this place looks so good. Dude, this place looks sick. Look at you having your own building now, dude.
I guess.
Oh my gosh. Started out in the van.
I know, right?
Dude, now we're moving big places. You even got a lift in this joint?
Yeah, we've been doing lift kits and undercoat.
Oh, really?
Like that. Yeah, we actually put one on last week.
Right, this is Bryson's shop. We're gonna pull the Porsche in here in a few seconds and then see what he can do. Look at all this. I wouldn't even know what to do with any of this stuff is. So here's the car now. Bryson's, how long you been doing this for, man?
Full time, about 2 years. Detailing period, probably like 6 to 8.
I've been videoing this dude since like 2017 or something crazy, but he's gonna get this thing looking perfect for us, and so I'm excited. I'm gonna document the process, do a little montage here and there, you know what I'm talking about? Ooh, look at that. I wish those were white now. That'd be kind of cool looking. All right, I'm gonna grab the big camera out. We're gonna get started on this thing. Okay, so we got the car pulled in, got it all taped off, and Bryson he thinks it's gonna need a full paint correction, but he was thinking we'll just try the one step first, and well, how do you think it turned out?
It came out pretty good. There's still some heavy water spots and different things like that.
Yeah.
The overall shine.
Dude, it looks so crazy. Like, you can't really, oh, look at that right there. That looks sick. Look at that on camera.
That's crazy.
This is all Kyle. All this is Kyle right here. So that's what it'll come out. Hopefully, I think it looks really good.
That right there is
surprising for like one step. Yeah. Heck yes. All right. So he says he can get my third brake light pretty shiny. So I'm kind of excited to see how this looks. See how weird and dull it is right there. Dang. Holy crap.
Little 50-50.
Dude, look how clean that, oh my gosh. That is crazy.
Oh, wait.
So guys, if you see this oxidation right here, this is what he was telling me, but like, you just go from right here to right here, and like, look at that side by side, it's crazy, and then the hood's all done and everything. This car is coming out sick. Look at that freaking comparison. That is coming out so crazy, man. Black is the hardest car to keep clean and keep swirl marks out of, but they are killing it. They are actually doing a pretty good dang job at doing this right now, and I'm pretty impressed, so. I'm excited to see the full project of this car. It's looking really good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, I walked in looking like a old damn list. So much money on me, told you bitch to hold my shit. Ice on me cold, got me frozen in a bit. They love to hate, but they don't know how much work we put in. Okay, I pull up. And I don't like the top, boo. You know where to find me. And if he like the top rule, I'ma get him knocked out. I'm tryna call me a glizzy, ain't talking hard down. Fuck all the talking, let's do it. Bitch on the shit and they know it. I need my funds, came from the mud. I love my brothers, I treat them right back. Don't get it twisted, I came for the right. Falling in love while I'm breaking them back. Shawty so bad, but I can't get attached. She's in the room, but I told her relax.
thing's looking way better, dude. The wax shack got me hooked up. It's looking so much better. Look, it looks so much blacker on camera. It's actually pretty cool. So we're gonna back it out right now and see what it looks like in the sunlight. This is looking pretty sick. It's like crazy how much just a one step actually helped us paint.
Yeah, in my bag, bitch, I pull up faded. She think that I'm famous. Turns up all the time. This what we say when we made it. Okay, I walked in looking like a whole damn list. So much money on me, told you bitch to hold my shit. Ice on me cold, got me frozen than a bitch. They love to hate, but they don't know how much work we put in. Okay, I put the game on.
Alright guys, so what he's doing now is washing it off one last time to get all that polish oil and everything like that off there. All the fuzzies that were on there before. But this thing is looking so much better. So if you guys want to check out Bryson, if you're in this area, I'm up in Morganton right now, Morganton, North Carolina. And if you want to check out the wax shack, he does all these things right here. That is his number. If you want to talk to Bryson about getting your car, truck, van, anything worked on, body-wise, paint-wise, lift-wise, do anything on your car, talk to Bryson. He can hook it up for you for sure. We've known each other for quite a while now, and he's always hooked me up. So you guys mention Miller, come in and get your stuff worked on, and he'll hook you up for sure too. So let's head back to the house and get these wheels put on and see how the car looks. All right, guys, it is the next day now. I'm gonna show you a little bit of that right there, as you can see for next video. But we have the Porsche. Gotta take it because we are getting Wesley. I shot his car a few weeks ago. He used to work at Bosworth that me and Braden used to go to. And this thing looks so good now. The tail lights, the top tinted black, so it'll just be the, you know, the little red parts right there. It's gonna be look cool. So we gotta head there to his shop now and see if he can knock this out tonight. So hope you guys are staying tuned because we still have to switch the wheels over back to the gray Inkies. And we'll be on the road for Gatlinburg tomorrow morning. A lot of last minute kind of things right now, and it's crazy. So stay tuned. That next video is gonna be insane. So let's go get this wrapped. Well, we got the car pulled in here now, pristine wraps. But Wesley here's hooking it up. He used to work it over at Bosworth, but he's now just kind of doing his little side jobs and stuff like that. He's gonna tip my tail lights black right there, and then hopefully yellow on the front. That'll be looking cool. He's got some cool cars in here. Oh, what is your wrong?